Why do elephants have such big feet? Well, elephants are like the gardeners of the savannah. Their big feet help them stomp around, making paths for other animals to follow. They also knock down trees, which helps more grass grow for the zebras and antelopes to eat. When they eat, they leave behind seeds in their poop, which helps new plants grow. It's like planting a garden with every step. And here's the twist. Elephants are also great at making mud baths, which other animals love to splash in. So, elephants are like nature's party planners, too.